In a major Supreme Court decision, justices ruled that federal prosecutors overreached when they charged hundreds of people who rioted on January 6th at the U.S. Capitol with obstruction. Now those charges and convictions in the attacks those charged in the attacks are looking to see if they have any new legal options. The case was brought by former Pennsylvania police officer Joseph Fisher, who entered the Capitol on January 6th and was charged with obstruction of an official proceeding. In this consequential 6-3 decision, justice is limiting what type of charges can be brought against January 6 defendants, specifically the obstruction statute used by federal prosecutors under a 2002 financial crimes law applying to evidence tampering.
There needs to be, again, a connection to the destruction of records and documents, not just, blocking a proceeding.
An unusual ideological alliance. Conservative Justice Amy Coney Barrett joined two liberal justices, Sonia Sotomayor and Elena Kagan, in dissenting, writing, quote, "Statutes often go further than the problem that inspired them." This decision undercuts hundreds of the Department of Justice's charges against pro-Trump rioters who physically tried to stop Congress from certifying the 2020 election results at the Capitol. The former president taking to social media today to call this decision a, quote, "massive victory for J6 political prisoners." Attorney General Merrick Garland saying he is, quote, "disappointed, but will, quote, continue to use all available tools to hold accountable those criminally responsible."
So these people, if this is their only charge, I think they're going to sort of be free of the criminal justice system. 2 of the 4 counts against Donald Trump are under this particular law.
And we will learn the fate of that case on Monday. Justice is set to rule on whether a former president has absolute immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts while in office. The Supreme Court also rejecting a request to delay the prison sentence for Steve Bannon, a longtime ally of former President Donald Trump. He's due to start a 4-month federal prison sentence on Monday for defying a subpoena in the congressional investigation into January 6th.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.